Okay, so in this video we are going to create a template and a presentation ourselves. So first of all, we would go to create. After create, we try to see if you can create a story presentation. So I'll select story and then auto and then my topic area, that is climate change adaptation. So that is my topic. I just click enter and then my story begins to generate. Okay, so after it generates, I say keep and it keeps it. And the first one, let's see how we can probably best design this whole template. First of all, I would introduce an image that is very catchy. So I would use the DALL-E to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'll say climate change effects. Yes, so then I'll just click enter and see what image it will bring me. Okay, so I have an image of climate change. I'll just choose one of it and then I would probably use it for whatever I want to do. So I think this is probably not a good image though, but it depicts whatever I want to do. Yes, so I'll maintain it. I'll try to drag it to see where it fits. I think this is a good fit, but I would want to also expand it to see how well it will be. So I'll just adjust the image. So adjusting the image. Yes, so let's see. So yeah, so I can leave it like this, or I choose to do it like this. Okay, so I choose to take it to this side. I'll just leave it like this and then I'll move to my next template that is probably telling us about the topics that we cover in this presentation. The next one, I would say, okay, this image is a good image, but maybe I don't like it, or yeah, I'll just maintain it. So if you don't like this image, you just enter delete and then you try to maybe bring a video. Yes, so I just maintain it like this and then I'll move to my, if I don't want the position, I'll just position it somewhere that I think, no, but I think this is the best position for it to be. So the next thing to do is to try to add more elements. So I would want to add text to this one. Let's see how I do it. So I've added text here. Move it up here and you can choose to bolden it. So the next one, let's say I want to rearrange everything here. I'll just try to introduce an image. If I have an image, I'll just try to introduce it, but unfortunately I don't have an image, so I'll just use this one. To the next one, let me try to add a table. Yeah, so I can decide to do it like this. You can decide to increase your table number and others. On the next page, I would introduce a link. So I'll just paste the link here, cryptouniversity.network. So I would have my link up here. Okay, so we have the link now. I can choose to work on it and then yes, scroll it up and down and I'm all good. The next one I would want to do is, after introducing a link, let me try the Twitter. This Twitter is all about the tweets. So I would go to Twitter. So I'll come here and then I'll copy this link and I'll bring it to my TOME. Then I'll paste it. The moment I leave it, I have it here. My tweet is well showed and that's it. Let all of them have one page. so I'll just use a green background. And then for the fonts, yeah, this font is fine, and then I'll try to bold in it. So it's already a title, so yes, try to bold in it and I'm good. So what this does is that I've changed the template and I move to the next one. I think this is fine, this fine, this fine. You can play around with the themes and then find out the best theme that you would like to use. Yes, so we are done now. We do our sharing. I'll share it to one of my friends, that is Nasif. Yeah, I have a different account, so share it to him. He can only comment on it. You can choose to comment or edit, so I'll just leave it like that. And after that, you can present your work. So in presenting, you can use the arrow keys to move left, front, yeah, so you can use to move around, and then that's all. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. See you next time.